So if you've been wondering why there hasn't been much noise around the Mavic 4 Pro lately, yeah, you're not alone. It's been quiet. Like, too quiet. Jasper Ellens, silent. Igor Bogdanov, radio silence. Osita LV, also chilling, but there's one guy still dropping hints here and there, Mauro Tandoi. He's been filling in a few gaps, and one of the biggest updates, that rumored April 24th launch date, yeah, scratch that. Mauro says that's no longer happening. Apparently May 13th is the new target. I don't know how solid his source is, but he did say the launch is definitely not in April. And honestly, that lines up with how things have been going lately. You know what I mean? Now, if you're in the EU and planning to grab one, brace yourself. Tandoi also shared what the pricing is going to look like. Basic version, 64 gigs, around 2,200 euros. Free flight kit, 64 gigs plus 4G, about 2,840 euros. Pretty sure he means the Fly More combo or something entirely different that we don't know about. Creator combo, 512 gigs plus 4G, roughly 3,780 euros. Oh, and a quick note on charging. If you're going for the free fly version, it's sticking with the familiar 100 watt standard charger. But the combo kits, they'll support 200 watt fast charging, cutting your charge time down to 50 minutes and letting you juice up 2 batteries at once. Not bad. Now, here's where it gets messy. If you're in the US, pricing is kind of up in the air. Thanks to Trump's new tariffs on Chinese imports, which now stack up to a ridiculous 104%, DJI's got a major headache on its hands. And China's not just sitting back, they've upped their tariffs on US goods to 84%. So yeah, it's turning into a full-blown trade storm. What does that mean for the Mavic 4 Pro in the States? Well, for starters, it could get a lot more expensive, especially the higher end versions like the Creator combo. And on top of that, we're probably looking at possible delays, supply chain issues, and a weird launch dynamic. DJI might try to absorb some of the costs, but most industry folks are expecting prices to go up, and that could seriously cool early demand. It also means DJI may have to rethink their whole US launch strategy or risk getting caught in the chaos. So yeah, the Mavic 4 Pro's launch isn't just about drones anymore. It's tangled up in global politics, price hikes, and some tricky timing games. Buckle up. Anyway, that's the latest. If more info drops, I'll keep you in the loop. Catch you in the next one.